There seems to be a cat party going on here. All the cats have gotten together, having a little party, a little gathering. And that one's acting just a little bit suspicious, I think. He's coming to see what they're talking about. And he's walking up to them very focused, like he has something important to say. I think these two have just now met each other for the first time. Perhaps they will become friends? Maybe. These two look like they're just standing around, looking around. I think this one is seeing what that one is doing, possibly. He's like, man, why is he walking so focused and serious? Is there something I should know about? The Maine Coon over there is just... everybody's having a good time. That's the idea. Calicos. They are my favorite cat. Love calicos. Pretty sure that's like an Egyptian Mao back there. Maine Coon. Tuxedo cat. Siamese back there. Ragdoll. Abyssinian. Yeah, looks like they're all having a good time together. We'll just leave them be. 3 of these cats are new. That one's new. That one's new. And this one's new. And I think these two are already becoming good friends. Look at those smiles. What is he walking towards them about? I'd really like to know. Or maybe I don't. I don't know. It looks very serious. Cat party. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow. That's a lot of meows going on.